Hello and Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about the Coursera. Coursera is a platform which is providing courses in every field of the life. But as you know, Coursera is a paid platform. So in this video we are going to discuss about the how you can get free courses from the Coursera through financial aid support. So let's move to the laptop screen and start the process. So we are on the laptop screen now. First of all, we will open the browser and search here Coursera. So after searching here, click on this link. The first link is the official Coursera link. So click here and it will open. So just wait a second. So it is open now. So if you are new to this Coursera website, so you have to click on join for free, and if you have already account, so then you have to click on login. So I have already my account, so I will log in. But if you don't have account, you simply click on join for free and simply provide the credentials like your name or and other credentials, basic credentials, and then your account will be created. So I already have my account, so I am just log in to my account. So after the login, we will select here our course or degree which we want to do. So for the demo purpose, I am searching here English language course. So after the search, here are the results. So you can see some courses are free. Here is the free tag on the course available. But remember one thing, even a free course can demand some payment when you apply for the certificate at the completion of course. So in this video we will see how we can get free course as well as free certificate. So in the above results, so I am just selecting one of these. For example, I am selecting the third course. The third one is available just for the demo purpose. So click here and it will open. So it is open now. You can see here is the option enroll for free, but you don't have to click on this option. We have to apply for the financial aid. So we will see here is the option for the financial aid. Just check. Yes, here is the option for financial aid. So click on this option, and after that the window will open like that. So you have to put your education here and your annual income, your employment status. So if you're a student, you can show your income is 0 peak here because you're a student. So this is best option for application of financial aid option. So you have to put here 150 words reason why you applying for the financial aid option. So you have to write here 150 words paragraph. So be honest and write some meaningful paragraph, so they will accept your application. So just for the demo purpose, I am typing here some words so that we will move next. So you have to put according to you. After that, next window will open like that, and this is asking how much can pay for this course. So if you can pay some amount, you can select that amount, but if you are unable to pay, so you can select 0 USD. So after that, scroll down, and here you have to give reason or type the paragraph how this course will help you in achieving your goals. For example, I selected the English language course, so this can help in preparing IELTS, etc. So you have to type according to your
After that, check these and type here I agree to the terms above. So just type here and then click on I am not robot. After that, this option will be available and you have to review and then submit your application. And this will take almost 1 to 2 weeks for approval. So if you have some genuine application, they will approve in 2 weeks. Then after that you can start your course and you can get your free certificate at the completion of course. So this was all about the Coursera, which is the best official platform, and this courses or this Coursera platform is acceptable worldwide, so you can take benefit from this course. And I hope this video will help you in getting paid courses in free. So if you like this video, you can share with your friends and family circle so they can also take benefit from this Coursera, this beneficial Coursera platform. So share with your friends and family so they can take benefit. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.